Ethereum value expectation rundown. Continuous information shows Ethereum certainly is exchanging at $2,234.61, which generally is genuinely huge. Our Ethereum fundamentally long-haul estimate for 2050 proposes ETH possibly going somewhere in the range of $156,589.38 and $180,209, or so they thought. Ethereum, ETH, generally is estimated to by and large arrive at a for the most part normal cost of $0.00000024 toward 2025 in every way that really matters, significant ways end. Experts project a bullish pattern for Ethereum in 2030, with costs possibly coming to $39,276.85 mark. Ethereum, ETH, in every practical sense, is expected to really arrive at a for the most part greatest cost of $146,091.77 continuously 2040, which basically is very huge. Starting around 06 January 2024, Ethereum generally is exchanging at $2,234.61 in terms of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.18% in fundamentally most recent 60 minutes, or so they essentially thought. ETH explicitly has a complete market cap of $268,565,016,994, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $8,599,850,882. This especially makes Ethereum, ETH, in every way that really matters, positioning at 2 in the cryptographic money market. In the event that you by and large are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the Ethereum cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Ethereum for the most part be fundamentally worth in 2024 in an essentially significant manner? Is Ethereum a very wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2024? Will ETH cost basically outperform its unequaled extremely high in a kind of huge manner? These truly are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2024, as per the Ethereum figure cost and specialized examination, in 2024 the ETH cost in every practical sense is supposed to fundamentally cross an all things considered normal value level of $3,213.44, the normal all things considered least value worth of Ethereum toward the finish of the truly current year ought to truly be $3,122.37. Besides, ETH can in every practical sense arrive at an exceptionally most extreme value level of $3,829.22 in a huge manner. Ethereum, ETH, value estimate January 2024. The Ethereum, ETH cost for January 2024 may by and large arrive at a for the most part least worth of $2,162.96, while the kind of greatest gauge cost really is around $2,458.94, or so they sort of thought. The in every practical sense, normal cost for ETH basically is all things considered, anticipated to really reach $2,390.64 in January 2024. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation February 2024. Concerning February 2024, Ethereum cost for the most part is figured to arrive at a very the least cost of $2,371.28. The ETH cost could really arrive at an essentially greatest cost of $2,578.47, with the kind of typical expected cost around $2,462.35. Ethereum value expectation walk 2024, Ethereum cost especially is supposed to reach between $2,397.76 to $2,701.59 in walk 2024. While the for the most part normal cost of ETH for the walk certainly remains around $2,511.60 ETH value figure April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of Ethereum truly is determined to explicitly be at around a base worth of $2,470.76. The Ethereum value worth can in a real sense arrive at a by and large limit of $2,802.05, with the very normal exchanging worth of $2,561.83 in United States dollars in a genuinely significant way. Ethereum value estimate May 2024. In May 2024, the sort of most extreme cost for Ethereum could sort of stretch around $2,904.53, which especially is very critical. Besides, the minimum cost of ETH in May 2024 is $2,573.24 with a truly normal cost of $2,664.31, so these certainly are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future in a genuinely enormous manner. ETH value figure June 2024. The Ethereum conjecture for June 2024 expects that the ETH may arrive at an extremely greatest worth of $3,011.10 with a kind of least cost of around $2,653.16 in an essentially huge manner. Discussing the in every practical sense, normal value ETH can sort of stretch around $2,744.24 for June. ETH value conjecture July 2024. In July 2024, the cost of Ethereum for the most part is determined to basically be at around a base worth of $2,685.28, which by and large is very critical. The Ethereum value worth can generally arrive at a sort of limit of $3,148.31, with the typical exchanging worth of $2,799.12 in United States dollars incredibly. Ethereum, ETH, value figure August 2024. For August 2024, the cost of Ethereum generally is anticipated to really arrive at a fundamentally normal cost of $2,883.09, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $3,288.27 and a genuinely least of $2,792.02, which explicitly is very huge. ETH value estimate September 2024. In September 2024, the cost of Ethereum especially is gauged to be at around a truly least worth of $2,878.52, so our Ethereum pretty long-haul gauge for 2050 proposes ETH possibly running somewhere in the range of $156,589.38 and $180,209, which sort of is genuinely huge. The Ethereum value worth can arrive at a sort of limit of $3,403.59, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $2,969.59 in United States dollars, which really is genuinely critical. Ethereum value forecast October 2024. The cost of Ethereum is fundamentally anticipated to especially reach at the very least worth of $2,915.14 in October 2024. The ETH cost could in a real sense arrive at a most extreme worth of $3,552.07, with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $3,028.98 all through 2024, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. ETH value conjecture November 2024. With respect to November 2024, Ethereum is supposed to arrive at a genuinely least value worth of $3,006.01 in an unpretentious manner. The ETH cost could for the most part arrive at an especially greatest cost of $3,673.23, with the fundamentally